Good morning. We are on our way out of the Superior National Forest for a few days. It's supposed to be rainy for the next several days, and we thought, being in the National Forest is probably not the best thing. So we're headed back to Duluth to see if we can check out that town or city. Yep. We got ourselves nicely angled here, so we had a ton of room while still getting all of our bikes and kayaks out. Well, it looks like the awning material for our slide out is coming to an end. Future project gonna happen. Yay. Our awning material is also on the way out. That stuff did not work. Oh well. And since we're heading back to Duluth, why not stock up at the northernmost Walmart in Minnesota?
In 800 feet, turn right.
No camping or overnight parking. Wow, we got a lot of signs. Like every 10 feet, it seems. Hey, I wonder if they have overnight parking here. Pretty. Wow, look at that. One thing for sure, Duluth has some amazing views of Lake Superior, but make sure that engine brake is fully on. It's a cool clock.
It's a cool shot for me.
Yeah, it is.
Do you got your camera?
Yeah, I do.
It's not labeled
It's really cool. I'm trying to think of cord length on this one. We're staying at Lakehead Boat Basin, Marina, and RV Park, which is the closest we've ever been to a downtown city from a campground. While it's basically a parking lot, the views and location are fantastic. Lower the nose just a smidge. That's perfect. We're done. We're not here even a few minutes, and the bridge is going up, which is pretty cool.
That's cool.
Oh, so it goes way up.
So it's got red, so yeah, he's got to be able to get these things through there.
Slow and steady. Wasabi Minor. She's a biggie.
Their charts are going to be the most accurate.
Wonder what they do on that boat.
They probably do ore, coal.
That makes sense.
That's not it. That's the horn that says it's all clear. Hear it out going through the mountain.
Holy cow, is the echo. Man, for the first 10 minutes that we're here. Wow.
10 minutes, we get a big show.
Already. This is one of the benefits right here, is being able to walk on here by the boats. Usually this is only boat owners that can do this. So since we are here as an RVer, we are allowed to be on here, which is crazy. But now it's time to get ready and walk into downtown. I love boats.
At least I know where you're at.
You will know.
There's the other one.
Watching the bridge and barges is a common touristy thing, but we absolutely loved it and stopped several times to watch while we were in town. This bridge is about 3 blocks from the Marina, and crossing it will get you to several restaurants and shops in Canal Park.
This YouTube doesn't bring any camera.
I know, I totally forgot. I'm borrowing
one
Carrie's
camera.
phone. I know. I was just too excited to get out.
That's the most activity I've seen on the lakes in a while.
Yeah. This is kind of neat. We decided today would be a good walking day, so we headed down to visit the Lake Superior Railroad Museum, about a mile away from the campground. We didn't quite follow the Googles since we decided to take the parking deck over the interstate, which was a wee bit warmer than the outside temps.
Ooh. We be fancy in Duluth by walking over the interstate.
While I didn't take a lot of video here at the museum, this is one of those places where you just need to come to visit, especially if you're a train enthusiast. This place was huge. We spent at least 3 hours there and could have easily spent more time.
There's so many knobs. It's like an airplane, but bigger. All aboard.
So, is this what folks in Duluth do?
That must be friggin' cold water.
Another night in Duluth, and we are by the bridge, but we're checking out the sailboats. There were a ton of sailboats going out,
There's a
right?
gaggle of sailboats out there.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. That's a beautiful boat. And the most important thing at night, doing laundry.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's early today, and these honkers woke me up. I'm telling you. Stinking geese everywhere. I need my coffee. Good riddance. You should go with your friends.
that also kept me up last night. I don't know if you can hear it. Our next door neighbor has the loudest heater. It is ridiculous. Every time it turned on, it woke me up. I can't imagine being in the camper. Or maybe it's worse outside. I don't know. Stinking water turkeys, they're still there. Stinking geese. Good morning. Fly away, fly away. And so I begin my morning routine by working on these videos while Gary gets a little more beauty sleep. 'Cause, you know. Well, unfortunately, it is time for us to leave this beautiful area. Again, just a parking lot, but I mean, look what you're looking at. It is fabulous. Getting things ready to head back on the road. Are we all good?
We're good.
Yeah.
Head up. It's cold now, so we got to air up the tires more often. Yay.
It is sunny and beautiful again.
And
This
it's
was supposed to be like a week of rain.
And sorry about the wind.
Yeah, I've got them like here. So talk to my boob.
I got to talk to her boobs. It was a pretty good stay here.
It's amazing. I loved it.
It was quiet except for the constant rapping on the wind of the sailboats. But you know what?
I love that noise.
It's a cool noise. So once you get used to it, it's good to go. So.
Yep. All right, we will see you on the road. Woohoo! If you've made it this far, then thank you. You're awesome. We're planning on continuing our journey through Minnesota, and we'd love for you to come along with us. Until then, leave every place you visit a little better, and we'll see you on the next trail.